Hello, thank you for taking a minute or two to watch this video. Giant Onion Growing Challenge. What is that all about? I'm Gang Gang. Welcome to the channel, Gang Gang and Peanut, two peas in a pod. So, the Giant Onion Growing Challenge 24-25. What is that all about? Well, it's the brainchild of a gentleman called Pete Trenuth. I think I've pronounced that correctly, Pete. Apologies if I haven't. And I'll put a link to Pete's channel down below. If you want to go and watch Pete's channel and see what the Giant Onion Growing Challenge is all about, please do so. I'll also add at the bottom of this page in the comments a list of the people that I'm aware are taking part in the challenge and have a video channel that you may want to go and watch their channel as well. Giant onions. Well, this is going to be a big learning curve for me. I've grown onions before, but I've never attempted to grow a giant onion. I've never attempted to grow a giant anything. So it should be fun. It is a competition. I suggested that the prize should be an all expenses week paid for in Dubai. But Pete said the prize fund won't stretch to that. So it's a few hours down in Padstow, maybe a pint and a packet of chips. So if you're a subscriber to my channel, I hope you'll follow me along on this Giant Onion Growing Challenge, and also to some of the other people that are taking part in this challenge. As I say, there'll be links down below to their video channels as well. And it's not just a UK thing. No. This is an international Giant Onion Growing Challenge. We do have overseas contingents, one of them being Ali at My Rusty Garden. Hello, Ali. And I'm glad you got the seeds. I sent some seeds to Ali, which took quite a while to arrive, and I was a bit worried they may have got lost, but they've arrived safely. And Ali, in return, has sent me some seeds for a different variety of giant onion. So, just a quick hello to everyone that's taking part. I wish you all well in your endeavours, or do I? And remember, let's have a bit of fun. Let's try and learn something from each other. I know I will, and I'm really looking forward to it. Anyway, just a short video. Thank you very much for watching, and as ever, until next time, take care. Bye.